You know, this was a vacant lot for a long time. I actually used to go, was rock climbing across the street. I actually used to go to that facility quite a bit. It was really cool to see M1 concourse being built, you know, watch them lay down a road racing course and then build, of course, these, you know, exotic car garages. And then, of course, with that came Roadkill Nights.
Yeah. And something crazy about to happen. A Prius.
Oh, yeah.
A Prius versus a Demon. Now, the thing with the Prius, these things have electric engines, motors, I should say. They're not engines, they're motors. And these have torque, all kinds of torque down low. If this thing hooks up, it might be kind of surprising.
Yeah, but what are the chances that that's actually the...
I don't want to believe it, Christy. I don't want to believe it.
I just don't, because I've driven a Prius.
And that is a Demon on the far side with the slicks all the way around, front and rear. Of course, rear-wheel drive only, but these things are capable of 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds.
It's a pre-SRT8. A pre-SRT8.
Somebody stuck a heavy.
The Demon! Unbelievable! Absolutely unbelievable. The pre-SRT Demon.
All right.
Wow.
We'll decode that. I'm going to guess somebody stuck a heavy into that Prius. The SRT being the tip-off.
There it is, the pre-SRT8. It's got the Hellcat logo on there, too. Look at that. Boom, right off the line. That is awesome.
Modern day equivalent of the heavy Colts that they used to build for NHRA post-stock racing back in 71, 72, but a heavy and a Dodge Colt. Yeah, they did that. This guy was saying right here. I love it.
Well, he got a little speed wobble going on there, too, and he held it. He kept it together. So that answers our question, Steve. That is definitely not a hybrid engine.
Completely sideways in the awe. 2 cones were killed in the making of that run, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna have to send the cone boy out. I mean, Kurt Johnson out to make a quick track repair.